you? I'm currently in Dubai. What I wanna know from you guys, yeah? What I wanna know from you guys, right? What I truly wanna know from you guys, am I the only one who's just feeling so dormant on the market? Are you guys really like making money? Let me know. Like, you get what I mean? Let me know if, like, KOJO, you're probably the only one missing out. We're cashing out from some one corner. You don't know what's up, you know, or you don't know the vibe. I just truly wanna know. Sometimes in this trading business, it can get so lonely. Even at my level, it can get so lonely, clouded in your head. And you're thinking, am I the only one that is not making money on the market? Or like, it be everywhere. It be everywhere, or it be only me per my house. I have my tablet here anyway. Like, I have my tablet here. I'm literally like watching the market while I'm talking to you guys. Yeah, it's not as if I'm not watching the market. Me, I have the market with me 247. I have my computer there, I have my laptop there. You can see that the chat is open on the laptop. Like, every day, chat day, my body. Every minute, every second, chat day, my body. But I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything. So let me see the people that are making money. What kind of trade setups are you taking? What currency pair? Is it a scalp strategy, day trading strategy, swing? Teach us. Let us also cash out. We are hungry everywhere. Bro, your face is looking like Diddy. Your face is looking like P Diddy. So come like Daddy. Oh. When I started this forest journey, your video was like, are you weeding the farm, or you went to take some acres somewhere? So when I started the forest journey, were you walking through Kakun forest or Achimota forest? It's not easy. The USCPI make a loose pottle. It's not easy everywhere. Me, I know they see what they go on safe. Let me see. Everywhere, cashing out on some JPY pairs. Nice moves today. Yeah, if you're scalping, then that's legit. But if you're day trading, then I don't know. But like, I shot some some very dope scalping strategy video for you guys. I might as well just, start some aggressive scalping. It might help. In these dying moments, everything for help we, whether 1 minute or 5 minutes. How often do you trade with indicators? I actually don't trade with indicators. Funny thing is that I actually don't. I don't remember the last time I did. If I ever did, then that's probably like some 6-7 years ago. But today I shot a video about one of the very, very earliest indicators that I used to use. That should be really interesting for you guys. I know you guys are gonna enjoy that video, because you never heard me. That's the end, yeah? That's the end. Okay, so shout outs to our editor-in-chief. Yeah, taking her accolades.
It's my salary. I want to buy
You want to buy what?
Birkin bag.
You have problem. What do you do when the market keeps you down? When the market keeps me down, in what way? What exactly do you mean? What exactly do you mean when the market keeps me down? Like, as in I'm losing trades, or what exactly? KOJO, I don't know, say your wife sabi edit videos. Like, for the past 3 months, or more. How many months now?
Like
4. Yeah, let's say 4 months. She's been the one editing my videos. We see Astro. You gotta be respectful, my nigga. Girl, no DM lie. You're freaking talking to my wife, bro. When did you start following me? Can't you see my freaking wedded finger? How dare you just say girl on the DM lie? Put some respect on her name, bro. You be the realest nigga in the streets. Very organic. Now that the inflation go high, what are your thoughts? What are my thoughts? That's why I've run away from Ghana. I'm even about to change my bank account. I'm even about to change my bank account from Ghana cedis to USD or the dirham. I'm about to change my bank account from. I'm come to open dirham account. Do you know dirham? Dirham. They will say dirham. The Arabians will say dirham. I observed the video editing is top notch now. Hey, are they trying to say that I wasn't editing? I beg. What's your advice to a day trader? Minimum risk, maximum reward. A day trader, I don't really believe that risking 30 pips per trade will be prudent. Please help me answer this. US had increase on inflation, but GBP sold after the news. Why? You know, consumers measure sentiment in an economy not only just based on the fundamentals that you see on Forex Factory or all those things. UK is going through hell more than the US. They are still in their heydays. So if you're using a pinch of a fundamental just revolving around thing to judge where the market should be going, you're going to lose track. Open ABCD Bank or FAB Dirham accounts. Okay, I'll look into that. I don't know anything about that anyway. KOJO, you have plenty cash. Or if he says pay her more than you've already making her enjoy. With me, you got to earn the money, Ask Rick. Rick is a good example of earning money. That man works so hard. Last time he had all make like balloon. Do you invest in cryptocurrencies? Honestly, I don't invest in any crypto, but I'm just about investing in cryptos. I'm just about investing in a lot of cryptos, and I'm still watching them week by week, day by day, month by month. Hafiz, are you a millionaire? You tell me, what do you think? Am I a millionaire or I look like? I don't know. You just tell me what you think. It's your opinion anyway. What's your favorite trading book? There's quite a number of them. I have them all here. Oh, I didn't show you guys the views. Yeah, I kind of really love these views. So beautiful. So I'm just sitting in the balcony here. Let me show you. Like the balcony, the room is here. She's editing. We just shot some videos. Rick says I'm a millionaire in BTC. Rick, you know correct. What happened to KOJO lips? Lips? What has happened to my lips? Nothing has happened to my lips, bro. Did you over leverage your last 500 to get back on your feet? No, I really didn't over leverage it. I think I told that story. I didn't over leverage it. The 500, as of those times, when I converted into Ghana cedis, it was equivalent to 3,000 Ghana cedis. Yeah. So at every trade, I was actually exposing myself to 1,000 Ghana cedis per trade. So well, you could decide to call that over leveraging. I don't know, but for me, it was like one day, one trade setup, 1,000 at a go. You know, doesn't make sense. One day, one setup, 1,000 Ghana cedis on risk. If I lose 1,000, then I don't trade again until the next day. I come back with the same 1,000. So it means that intrinsically I was exposing myself to 3 chances. If I had lost the first day 1,000, if I had lost the second day 1,000, and then the third day 1,000, I would have been totally wiped out, and then I wouldn't have had, that breakthrough. But less like, or I was already like very good at the market in trading, right, before I embarked on that journey. So it's not like I was like a total rookie. You get what I mean? USD card did me bad today. I mean, if you play with the market, it's gonna do you bad. What are we doing now? Rendering. How many trades do you take in a day? In fact, you should be even asking how many trades do I take in a week? Less even a month. You are talking about day. People are asking about week. You are asking about day. Trades in a day. Like how many trades in a day? This guy is very, very ambitious. How do you analyze trade? I several confluences, several decision points, so many factors. So many factors. Like if I watch something like this, I don't know. I like to, determine the direction of the market week by week basis, Like every market usually would go in a particular direction for a particular week. And then it had worked for me for a long time until quite recently, where we are having all this, very choppy market movement. So because of that, it has become a little bit difficult for the market to play in that same manner. Nonetheless, it still does anyway. If you look at something like Euro Japanese yen, right? I can tell you something little about this market, right? What you don't know, right? Should I use my laptop? I should probably just use my laptop. It's very difficult sometimes analyzing on this tablet. I use it when my phone goes off impromptu, then I use it like a backup. But I like to analyze on my laptop. Do you consider fundamental in your life? I actually do consider, I think I was watching what pair was I watching? What pair was I about to show you guys something on? What pair was that? You guys don't even remember. I think it was Euro JPY. Yeah. So what I was about to tell you guys is that most people don't know, but you guys know that this market actually started opening from this week here, came all the way down here, right? Hits this particular region here, which had been these lows from last week, and then literally resumed this movement for the rest of the week. So it's just been very bullish. So two directions for Euro JPY, just two, right? Now how do I know that that's exactly where the week began? Because I have this thin line here which tells me exactly where the week began. So it means that truly, if I really wanted to catch Euro JPY, I should have just waited for it to hit this level and I catch it. But you see the kind of interaction that's going on down here, which is like this this kind of a choppy candle confirmation here. Not necessarily the strongest that I would want to, you know, be so confident on. So with that kind of thing, then it makes like trading difficult, you know. But eventually then you see the market picking up, then you come and then you see a very long candle and think, I missed this move. How did it happen? Because there was no true, like, you know, perspective to it. And then let me show you another one. And then if you look at another thing like this, right, which is like Euro GBP, you've been trying to look at Euro GBP, yeah, all that it has been doing for this week is stuck in this range here, from here, right? So this is where it opened this week, and then it's been trading from the top here, comes down, goes up, comes back down, goes up, and I don't know whether it's going to come back down again or not, you know. So if you want to tell what direction Euro GBP has been going this whole week, what will you say? You can't really say anything. But let's say we want to talk about the direction that's been going for last week, right? Then from last week, you can tell that it also did open. It opened from here, and then it's just been going all the way down like that. So that was like last week move. So I don't know if you get a picture I'm just trying to paint. I just like to catch the market from that week by week perspective, and then like, yeah, let me see, visibility style, template. I'm not able to change the size. How can you